Hey everybody, the last time you saw me, you saw close-ups. I showed you the left hand and the right hand playing Wild Bill Jones. And this is basically the way that I figured it out by listening by ear to the recording of George Gibson that he made in 2000 on his CD, Last Possum Up the Tree. And on that recording, George uses a 6-string banjo and a different tuning, D-A-D, G-A-D, and a 3-finger picking style. A folk-derived style. And so I don't have a 6-string banjo, I don't use a 3-finger style, so I had to come up with my own way for 2 fingers on 5-string, which is the way I do it. So the tuning I use is basically sawmill tuning, G modal, gDGCD, but I'm tuned a lot lower than that, so I'm in relative G modal. I'm actually tuned all the way down to E, and I've got my tuner, that's how I know where I'm at. And I'll turn it on right now and tell you exactly where I'm at. E for the 5th string. The bass string is at B, E, A, D. Or B, sorry. So that's exactly where I'm at. And this song is played out of sort of what we might call a chord, and all you do is take your index finger and hold the 2nd string down at the 2nd fret. That's the chord. And the way that I'll open this song and is the same way that I do for Pretty Polly. If you guys saw that in an earlier instructional video, this is very similar. Same tuning, same sort of opening background effect that I achieve it by with the hammer on from the open 2nd string to noting the 2nd string at the 2nd fret. And then I immediately go in with a long series of repeating drop thumbs. To get this background, rolling background effect. And all that is now that would be drop thumbs, but I'm just repeating that drop thumb over and over again. Y'all see that? Same thing I did in Pretty Polly. If you want to see me do it again, maybe I talk about it a different way, check out that video. So that's how we open Wild Bill Jones, same background. But then we come off the bass string. You gotta note the bass string at the 3rd fret. So the bass string is noted at the 3rd fret, and I usually bend it because this is a real bendy, bluesy song. So note the bass string at the 3rd fret, bend it, and play that with your thumb. And then it goes to the 3rd string open. And then note the 3rd string at the 3rd fret. And I'm bending it again. So 2 bends in a row on the 3rd string. And then we go to the 2nd string open. And back to the 3rd string. Bend it again, and then play the 3rd string open. I went out on one day, just a rambling holiday. And this is all off the thumb. Well, that's not true at the end there. I go to my index, but you know what I'm saying. Now we're going to go to the high part. How do we do that? You're sort of walking it up into this, whatever this chord is here. From that chord. So the way we do that little 2nd high part starts off with the 3rd string noted at the 3rd fret. Then take your index to the 2nd string at the 2nd fret. Or I'll hit the 2nd string open first. Then note it. And then take your ring finger and note the 1st string at the 3rd fret. See how I walked it up? And then walk it back down. And what I'm doing there to walk it back down, I'm pulling off with my index finger, I'm pulling off on the second string. And then playing the third string noted, and then the third string open. So now we're back here, and then go back to the bass string. I went out on one day, just a rambly holiday, when I met up with that Wild Bill Jones. He was walking, he was talking by my true lover's side, so I begged him for to leave her alone. So what I'm doing there is just playing the basic bare bones of the song and trying to sing along with it to give y'all more idea of the basic idea of it. Everything else is just as many embellishments or as few embellishments as you want to do, and whatever style you want to do it in. You can do this in a straight overhand style. I prefer to do it in a 2-finger thumb lead style. You could do it in your own 3-finger style. Play it Scruggs style if you want. Whatever. Anyhow, this is getting to be about an 8-minute video, guys. That's about all I want to do on this. But if you have any more questions, put them in the comments, and I will answer them in writing, or we will continue to do films on Wild Bill Jones if you guys want me to show you anything else about it. Yeah, all right. And thanks for watching, and we'll get on to another song next. We'll see we'll kind of test the waters and see what people want to get on next, and I will start filming that. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for contributing. We'll see you later.